ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಪಾಪ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಬೆಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗವೆ. ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಬೆಳೆದವು. ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
On Wednesday at Vidhana Soda in Bengaluru, former Chief Minister of Karnataka H.D. Kumaraswamy accused the Congress government of corruption and displayed a pen drive he claims has proof of the ruling party's wrongdoings and implicated a responsible minister in the current cabinet. Karnataka State's Energy Department, according to Kumaraswamy, charges 10 crores for each transfer and alleges one of the transferred officers makes an astounding 50 lakh every day. Speaking with the media at Vidhana Soda in Bengaluru today, H.D. Kumaraswamy stated that there is plenty of time to divulge the pen drive's information, and if and when the pen drive's contents are made public, several ministers will be implicated.
Yeah, when are you going to release the details?
Sir, you please wait, madam. Lot of time is there. This is too early. This is too early. Don't worry. Several ministers will going to be a good food for you, I think, in future days.
Congress MLA Rizwan Arshad said, if former Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy has any incriminating evidence, he should make it public or rather give it to concerned authorities. Additionally, he said Kumaraswamy is perhaps using the evidence, if any, to blackmail the Congress government.
Any person and someone like Mr. Kumaraswamy, who has been the Chief Minister of a state and a responsible citizen of the country, has some incriminating evidence, as he says, then why is he keeping it to himself? And why is he saying that I will release this, if you have guts, you inquire about my misdeeds? This is not the way a responsible citizen behaves. He has any incriminating evidence, he has to make it public, give it to the concerned authorities so that the action should be taken. Otherwise, then you are using that, if at all you have it, to blackmail the government, or you don't have anything and you are bluffing. Either of the two is happening according to me.